Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Will back with another video. Today I just want to say, what the fuck is good with this community, bro? You guys went absolutely fucking crazy today, dude. XAU smashed. AUD smashed. Fucking options smoked. Bro, you guys went absolutely fucking insane today. Spies left and right, calls, puts. You fucking name it, bro. Everybody killed it today. Everybody fucking killed it today. Shout out to Liquidity for passing one of his funded accounts. Let's fucking go, bro. With this beautiful trade right here. That's what I'm fucking talking about, baby. Let's fucking go. Me, unfortunately, I had to be in school, so, yeah. That's fucking fun, right? But what a fucking day for the group today, man. A day before CPI. Let's fucking go, man. Alright. Let's go. NQ recap time. We're high energy. I'm sick as fuck. But I don't care. Alright? I don't give a fuck. Let's talk about it. Alright. So, I took one trade today. Just because I was in school, I couldn't get on the Wi-Fi on my laptop. Pissing me off. But it is what it is. So, let's just recap what trade I took. So, very, very, very weird day in this section right here. I mean, these aren't my types of trades. I like these trades. I like this trade right here. I don't like to be necessarily in and out, which I kind of had a feeling was going to happen today. Obviously, later on in the day, it didn't play out, but I was in a very important class, so I couldn't trade it all, and I didn't want to take another trade because I made money. But so, 9:30, we clearly saw this shoot-up move. Obviously, a fake, in my opinion. We came back down, we started playing around here. It's just this is very choppy. Very 1 minute, very choppy. A lot of volatility, though. Like, if you're running 20-point SLs, either way, you're probably getting stopped out somewhere. Or maybe even less, like 10 to 20. But you're getting stopped at everywhere. There's just so much fucking volume in these. Like, it was very insane to keep up with this, to be honest. I saw this move here. We came back down, and then we came back up again. And I felt like we were going to touch the high of the day, or get somewhere close to it. So I went for a short somewhere up here. Sorry, not up here. I went in right here through this inverse fair value gap. If you don't know what that is, hit me up. We could talk about it. IFG right here. I went through this. Once this formed, I went into a sell here. And we just sold off. We didn't touch it again. Once it was formed, it was kind of set in stone here. But I went short probably when I saw this candle coming down. I was like, okay, we're not going to respect this fair value gap. There's a lot of, it's just very volatile. I'm going to go short here. That was my reasoning. Liquidity sweep, obviously. Sure enough, we sold off. And I probably TP'd around 80 points, I think. 70 to 80 points, somewhere between there. And as you can see, there's another spot right here where it came back up, rallied, inverse fair value gap, gets contested, and holds this. You could have took a short right here, even in right here, and you could have TP'd out at 115 points right here. Or, look at this. Look how beautiful this inverse fair value gap was for shorts. It gives you another chance to go short at 11:30 if you took this one right here. What is it, 200 points? 200 points, bottom. Beautiful. Beautiful play right here. I mean, you could have entered two times off of this. One right here and one right here. I decided to enter before it was contested, just because I want to be in and out, and I had class, so I had to focus. So I kind of had to rush a trade. It is what it is. Guess what? It's our 6th green day in the row. I'll post it up there, just so you can see I'm not bullshitting you. Let's fucking go, baby. We're eating these charts up. Tomorrow's CPI, I am not trading at all. I might fuck around on the demo account and, throw a trade there, but I recommend do not trade CPI. It's going to be a lot of this. Just like this, but throughout the whole day. And then we'll get eventually a clean move towards the end of the day, something like this, maybe. But yeah, I just don't trade CPI. I never have, and I probably won't ever. But dude, just look at how beautiful this is right here. IFVG on the 1 minute, respected twice. especially when it respects it here and it comes back up. You should easily be taking a short right here, and that's 200 points. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to watch, so I couldn't take it. I probably would have took another trade if I saw this. But it is what it is. We clearly come down. We sweep these lows again. And once we sweep these lows, guys, it's a fucking home run. We probably swept, look, right here. We swept these lows right here. TP right here. You could have TP'd right here. You could have TP'd right here. You could have TP'd right here. Beautiful entry point for lows right here. If you held, you probably got stopped out as we continue to rally back up and break high of the day. Even this was a great place to long, too. Personally, I wouldn't be trying to go long here. Just because, it's the day before CPI. We're, it's just like kind of hard. I mean, you could have went short and then you could have took a long here, yes. But why put a risk if you already did 200 points? If your setup hits, take that trade. But try not to overtrade. I did overtrade the other day. Today, I didn't overtrade. I took 2 trades. I got stopped out of a long position here. I tried to go long here. Just too choppy, man. Just too choppy. I should have been patient. Sure enough, I was patient, and everything played out perfect. But yeah, let's do. There's not really going to be much of an outlook today. Just because of tomorrow's CPI, so we don't really know what's happening. News is going to determine what is happening. But I mean, my educated guess is, I think this is the bottom. I do. With that being said, I think we're going to come back up to this area. We're going to contest it again. And I'm a little sick, but fuck that. We don't care. We're still making these videos every day. We got to stay disciplined, right? So sorry if I'm like, sneezing or sniffing my nose, but we ain't bitches around here, alright? We definitely want to see this area get contested. Obviously on the daily we tested it over here, completely rejected it, failed back down. But I am looking for a push up from CPI. Like I said, I'm not going to be trading tomorrow, but I would like to see CPI push up into here. Maybe we sell off a little bit, then we come back down to here, and then we go back up to break this 19.6 area. This is a very important area, guys. Right here, we've rejected this area so many fucking times. We've rejected it 5 times, guys. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost 6 times, by the way. Right here, almost 6 times. But, dude, 5 times? That's fucking insane. So this is a very big seller area, obviously. So this is our next level of contestment here, and especially if we close above this, line, oh, it's game over, guys. Yeah, we're going, best believe we're going for all-time highs. We're going to go contest, but we need to close above this for me to be bullish again. In the meantime, I'm going to see how CPI reacts tomorrow. I'm probably going to be in the live trading call, just, kind of watching, not taking any trades, just watching. Today we actually had a live Discord call on XAU. Fucking Team 8, man. I don't know if they went long or short. I don't really follow, gold, silver, any of that FX stuff. But they absolutely ate today. Shout out to Boom and YSL and Soja. They do a fucking hell of a job trading FX. I appreciate those guys a lot. And they're great people to help you out with any questions you have of anything if I'm not available or somebody else isn't available. But other than that, guys, I mean, that's all I got for you. Like, there's not really going to be much of an outlook because we got to see what news is going to determine where we go from here. And if you don't know how to check news, guys, forexfactory.com/news. If you are a day trader, you need to fucking use this website. You go to calendar, all right? You go to this little filter bar up here. It's going to be great for you probably because you never open this. These folders you can have on. I mean, I don't necessarily have them on because, it's just like some of the stuff doesn't. I mean, it all matters at the end of the day. But what's really going to affect the market is these red folders. It's going to drastically affect the market, especially CPI. That's one of the bigger ones. CPI and FOMC and Jerome Powell speaking. Those are the biggest ones. So, yeah, we're going to see tomorrow how price reacts. Also, keep in mind for your filters, right? let's say you don't trade NQ, let's say you don't trade ES or SPY, or you don't trade NAS, you don't trade anything that has to do with the dollar, and you trade Forex, look, you can go here and, you know, put on whatever filters you fucking want. You know, I don't really know. I know this is the euro, I know this is Australian, I know it's Canadian, Chinese, I don't know what the fuck that is, British pound, Japanese, Netherlands maybe? I don't know. I don't trade Forex. Nor will I ever. But yeah, I mean, I would definitely use this to your advantage. Now, if you're trading something like gold or silver, you're going to want USD on. Why? Because if USD, the currency, USD is rising, gold is going to go down. That's how they fluctuate with each other. I'm not even a Forex trader or, you know, trade gold or anything, but I know that. You should know this stuff and take it into consideration, especially if you trade gold or silver or anything like that. They're trading against USD. So if the US dollar is going up, that means gold's going down. If gold's going up, that means US dollar is going down. With that being said, you can also correlate that to the stock market. When the stock market is going down, USD is usually going up because smart money is flowing from stock market into bonds. That's where we get that correlation from. You should know this. If you don't, now you do know it. It's very good information, so you keep in mind to yourself. Because, look, for example, here, I think it's called, like, DXY. Yeah, it should be DXY. Hi, Guillermo. Nice. So these correlate together. So look, for example, right, USD is pushing up, you know, to 101.65, as we can see. And then now we can actually head over to something like gold. Oh, right here, sorry. My bad, guys. And gold is having a little pullback. Okay, these correlate together. That's why we see... Let me go back for a second. So you see how down the dollar is right now? Right here, like this little dip right here. This little dip right here. And then let's take a look at gold. How it's high. Alright, you see this dip on gold right here? Go back one more time, sorry. This is why the dollar's high. They correlate together. They're 1 and 1. So you have to know this stuff, especially when you're trading gold. Please keep that in mind. Other than that, guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm going to post the calendar up in a second here, so you can take a look. Solid day. Obviously, we talked about the overtrading from the other day, but it is what it is. You know, we got past that. You know, on our way to getting a couple more funded accounts, hopefully. That's our goal in the next couple days. You know, I hope to bang out these 3 extra funded accounts by Thursday. If not, by Friday. I'm looking to bust both of these out. That would be nice. And then we go from there. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy your Tuesday, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.